If you forgot your Apple ID password or you think it was hacked, don't panic because in the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to change your Apple ID password step by step. So, to change your Apple ID password, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your device. So, let's go to settings. So, once you arrived in settings, if you check the top, you are going to see your name over there. I want you to tap on that name. So once you tap on the name, it's going to bring you to another page. So on this page, what you want to do here, you just want to tap on sign in security. So let's tap on sign in and security. So once you tap on sign in and security, it's going to bring another page for you. So on this page, what you want to do here, you want to look for where we have change password, and we have it at the middle here. Just tap on this change password. So once you tap on this change password, it will load up for you. It will ask you to put in your iPhone password, the passcode of your iPhone. So you just have to put that in just to verify that you are the owner of the phone. So once you do that, it will load up another stage for you, which is the final stage. So on this stage, what you want to do here, you just want to input the new password you want to be using. Once you are done putting in the new password you want to use, just tap on continue under it and your Apple ID password will be changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your Apple ID password in just 60. Very, very simple.